Hi guys. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but today I'm going to go over multiplying three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. I did this cool backdrop that I just got from PowerPoint, so I don't own the rights to it. It is theirs, not mine. But here goes the video. So we're going to work with this problem first. We're going to follow these steps, and I'm going to bring you back over to the problem so that I can go through each step with you. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply all numbers by the number in the ones place. This is the ones place that we're talking about. So 293 is going to be multiplied by 1 first. So we do that by starting in the ones place. Then we move to the tens place, then the hundreds place. So 3 times 1 is 3, 9 times 1 is 9, 2 times 1 is 2. And so then it says, place a 0 in the ones place of the second row of answers before you start multiplying the tens place. This is the tens place that we're speaking of. So we're going to multiply all these numbers by the tens place. But before we do that, we're going to put a 0 here. That's our placeholder so that our problem stays accurate, okay, or correct. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 9 times 2 is 18. So we'll put our 1 here, our 8 here, and then our 1 here. And then we multiply 2 times 2 is 4. But we have to add this remainder of the 1, which makes it 5. So we place our 5 here. So then we're ready to add. We've done our multiplication. We multiplied all these numbers by 1 and we got these numbers. We multiplied all these numbers by 2 and then we got these numbers with our placeholder. Placeholder shifts the numbers over just a little bit. Now it's time to add, and our 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. Our 5 goes here. Our 1 goes there. It's basic addition. Then we got 2 plus 8 is 11. I'm sorry, 2 plus 8 is 10, but when you add the 1, it makes it 11. And so we have the 1 goes here, and then our other 1 goes on top of the 5. So now 1 plus 5 is 6. I always teach my daughter to count 3 spaces, every 3 spaces from the ones place. So when we count 1, 2, 3, we put a comma in front of that third number that we count. Let's go to our next problem and make sure we have it right. So 4 times 2, this is where we're going to start our problem, is 8. And then 3 times 2 is 6. And then 9 times 2 is 18. We don't put any numbers on top of the 9 at this time because we're done multiplying these set of numbers by this set of number, which gives us this answer on this row. So we put our whole 18 right here. Then 4 times 4, let's not forget our placeholder right there of the 0. Then the 4 times 4 is 16. So we'll put our 6 here, and we'll put our 1 actually should go right here. Y'all gonna let me be human, and I'm gonna slide this 1 right over here. Then, so that's 16. The 4 times 4 is 16, and the 1 goes there. And then 4 times, or 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 gives us 13. And so our 3 goes right here, and another 1 goes right there. So I'm going to be human again. And I'm going to place another 1 right there. Okay. Boop. So now we have a 1 there. So let's go back over it. That's 4 times 4 is 16. The 6 goes there. The 1 goes there. Then 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So the 3 goes there. The 1 goes there. Then 9 times 4 is 36. But we have a 1 there, so it's 37. We're going to put our whole 37 here. So now it's time to add. 8 times 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. The 2 goes here and the 1 goes there. And then 1 plus 8 plus 3 is 12. And the 2 goes there and the 1 goes there. And 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And then you just bring the 3 down because 0 plus 3 is 3. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Our comma goes in front of the number 2. Last problem. 470 times 27. 0 times 7 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. Our 9 goes here, and our 4 goes on top of the next number, which is 4. And 4 times 7 is 28 plus 4 gives us 32. So our 32 goes here because we're done multiplying the top row. Let's move over to our next row. Let's put our imaginary 0 there. 0 times 2 is 0 because 0 multiplied by any number is 0. 7 times 2 is 14. So our 4 goes here, our 1 goes there. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 1, and then that brings us to 9. So now we're ready to add, and we got 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 9 is 12. Let's count again to know where to place our comma. 1, 2, 3, and that comma goes in between the 2 and the 6 because it's every 3 numbers over. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you replay it as many times as you like to make sure that you get this technique down. You guys have a great day.